Hello, good morning, new parents, to be parents. Welcome back to my channel, Raising Happy Toddlers. So, today, the first topic that I would like to discuss is whether your baby is ready for solids or not, and which age you should start, what are the developmental signs you should see in your baby. These are the basic things that you should keep in mind while you start solid for your baby. See, if you're, it's a basic guideline. If your baby is a full term baby and physically, typically developing baby will be ready for solids by the time they reach 6 months of age. So before you start solid, you should see these four basic developmental signs in your baby that will suggest you and make you prepared that your baby is ready for the solid journey. The first and the foremost important one is sitting. Your baby should be able to sit with minimal support for the whole meal duration, that is mostly 15 minutes. Head control. Your baby should be able to keep their head straight throughout the duration of the meal, that is 15 minutes. The third is they should be able to reach and grab. That means they should be able to reach the food and bring that food to their mouth. So that is the third thing. The fourth thing is interest. The baby is showing a lot of interest while you eat. They are mouthing food, leaning forward for the food. These are the four developmental signs that shows that your baby is ready for solids. So earlier, which is an outdated advice, pediatrician would suggest parents to start solids by the time their child reached the 4th month of age. So that is, an outdated advice. And they would suggest for rice, cereal and everything which lack a lot of nutrients. So as of now, as of 2021, the American Academy of Pediatrics and WHO, they suggest that the baby should be 6 months of age and all these four developmental signs should be there in the baby to start solids. And secondly, if you start your baby too early for solid, like 4 months of age, then that's further studies have showed that they would have some unhealthy weight gains during their childhood, early childhood years and during the toddler phase. So please make sure that you see these four signs in your baby when you start the solid journey for them, because food is something that has a lot, it has a lot of impact in our body and in our life till it's a long journey. So please make sure when you start a journey you should little bit dive into it, and then it will be easier for you and your little one as well. And I will put all the things that I have said in the description so that you can read that and get information. And if you have any doubt, you can always comment and ask me. I will be there to answer happily. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and take care of yourself. Then only you will be able to take care of your little ones. So see you after, see you all in my next video. Take care and bye.